Is PUBG Mobile dropping FPS, lagging, or working slowly on iPhone? Hi there, welcome to this video. Here you can quickly fix PUBG Mobile dropping FPS, lagging, or working slowly on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Configure the graphics setting for PUBG Mobile. Open PUBG Mobile. Tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner. Tap Settings. Tap Graphics and Audio. Now first decrease the graphics mode. Select HD or Balanced. Now for the frame rates, select High or Medium. Scroll down, turn off the shadow. Now tap OK and restart the app. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Find out PUBG Mobile. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Free up some space. Try deleting some unused apps or games or any files from your iPhone. Once you have freed some storage on your iPhone, check if your problem is solved. Solution 4. Enable background app refresh. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background app refresh. Tap Background app refresh again. Select Wi-Fi and mobile data. After following these steps, if you still need to catch up or have slow issues with PUBG Mobile on your iPhone, please ask me in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.